Hello, once again, this is Jack Fitz, and today we're going to be working on the subtraction algorithm and why it works. Today, again, we're going to be using a very similar system to what we used last time in the addition video, where squares, like that, little cubes is what we'll call them, are equal to 1, and they will stand in the ones place. Rods are equal to 10 small cubes. Flats are equal to 10 rods, and supercubes are equal to 10 flats. Alrighty, it's the same system we used in our addition algorithm video, and we'll use it again today. So that's important, and they represent the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place. Let's begin. With the subtraction algorithm, there are some rules that addition does not have, and there are some rules that addition does have that are used again. When we start with subtraction, we want to think of our first number as the starting amount that we have. So let's say we have 8. All right, how many is that? That means we're going to have 8 little mini cubes. And let's say we want to subtract 5 from that. Well, we want to take away 5. What does subtraction mean? Subtraction means we are taking away from the first number. So we want to take away 5 cubes. All right, so let's cross out 5 of those. 3, 4, 5. And now we count up how much is left. We have 1, 2, 3. So our answer is going to be 3. Pretty simple, right? All right, let's try something else. You can also write subtraction vertically, just like you can with addition and multiplication. And if you write it vertically, it looks something like this. Let's do 8 minus 5 again. You want to keep each place of the numbers over the other like it. So in this case, we only have 8 and 5, and they're both in the ones place. And you do something like this, only you have to do it imaginary in your head. So we have 8 blocks. Let's imagine that we have 8 blocks, and we're taking away 5 of them. Cross them out. That leaves us with 3. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. That's pretty easy. We're going to try something a little bit harder down here. Let's say we have 12 blocks, and we want to subtract 4. Now, we have something a little bit harder this time. We have a number in the tens place. We have 12 minus 4. So, unfortunately, we can't subtract 2 from 4, right? Can't take away 4 when there's only 2 things. So essentially, with 12, we have 1 rod and 2 mini cubes. Now, a rod is equal to 10 mini cubes, and we have 4 mini cubes that we need to take away from this. So, what you want to do is imagine breaking up the rod. We're going to break up that rod. And out of that rod, we're going to make 10 more mini cubes. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 mini cubes. So we have the same number. It's the same value. It's just now, instead of representing it with a rod, we have 10 extra mini cubes. And to represent that we did that over here, we're going to cross out the 1 in the tens place and write a small 1 next to the 2 to represent that we now have 12 mini cubes. So now we will take away 4 of those mini cubes. So count off with me. We're going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we just add up to see how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves us with 8. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. All right. Let's try something a little bit different. So now we are going to subtract 32 minus 12. So it's a little bit harder, but I think we can do it. Well, first we have two numbers in the ones place. So we have essentially 3 rods and 2 miniature cubes. And we want to take away 1 rod and 2 mini cubes. This is pretty easy. We're going to subtract the 2 mini cubes. So those are gone. And we're going to mark down here in this place that we have 0 mini cubes. And now we want to take away 1 of our 3 rods. That's also pretty easy. We're going to just cross that out like that. And now, how many do we have? We have 1, 2. We have 2 rods. So that leaves us with 20. So, when you subtract from the tens place, or the hundreds place, or the thousands place, you move straight down beneath it, and you write the amount of whatever it is that you have there. All right, that's been the video. Have a nice day.